Hello amigos, welcome to the Mexican food channel. In today's video, we're making tacos de bistec. We're going to start with our marinade. Let's get 2 oranges and squeeze the juice into the bowl. We're going to add the juice of about 4 limes. Press 1 garlic clove through your garlic press. If you don't have one, just chop it up into small pieces. Add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper and then mix it up. Start dipping your meat in the marinade. Make sure to get it all over so the flavor really sticks to the meat. Just want to take a quick moment to remind you guys to please hit the like button and subscribe. Alright, back to business. You're going to let your meat marinate for 2 hours in a plastic bag. Add in the rest of the juice to get all the flavor. Give it a quick pat down, seal it up, and stick it in the refrigerator. While we wait on the meat, we're going to cook some nopalitos that we can use as a topping on top of the bistec tacos. Carefully remove all of the espinas off of the cactus. You want it nice and smooth. Set them aside so we can cook them after we cook the meat. Now that the meat is ready, we're going to add in some olive oil into a pan. Once it warms up, you're going to add in the meat. This kind of meat cooks really fast, so make sure to keep an eye on it. Go ahead and start flipping them after 3 minutes. Keep flipping them until you get a nice golden brown color. Now that the meat is cooked, we're going to cook the nopalitos. I like to cook them after because it really sucks in the flavor of the meat. Add in some olive oil before you put in the nopalitos. These cook very easily. All you have to do is flip them. You'll know that they're ready once you see them the color that they are on the screen. Now for the veggies. Cut half of a cebolla into small pieces. Now mince your cilantro. Finally, it's tortilla time. Add in some olive oil into your comal and then add in your tortillas. We got small taco tortillas. You can find them at your local grocery store. Go ahead and chop that meat up. Chop it up. Ooh wee, let's build this magnificent taco. Get your tortilla and add in the meat. followed by the cilantro and the onion. You cannot have a taco without green salsa. If you want the recipe for this delicious salsa, check out our green salsa video. Slice pieces of your nopalitos and put them on top of your taco. Add in some lemon and it's time to enjoy. Look at that mouth-watering nopalito bistec taco.
Ya me comí como 10, vieja.
Más bien como unos 20. I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram. And remember, life is a fiesta. Make sure you enjoy it.
¡Viva México! ¡Viva México!